What if one of the most natural, private, and often misunderstood habits could significantly improve your prostate health starting today? It might sound far-fetched, even a little controversial, but emerging scientific evidence is painting a compelling picture. Regular masturbation, a simple act of self-care, may play a powerful role in maintaining prostate health, reducing inflammation, improving circulation, and even supporting hormonal balance. In today's video, we're diving into the latest scientific findings that challenge long-held assumptions. This isn't just about sexual health, it's about total male wellness, aging smart, and understanding your body in a new way. And stick around until the very end, because what we cover might just change the way you view prostate care forever. Before we get started, take a moment to subscribe, like, and share this video. Your support allows us to keep producing science-backed content that empowers men to take control of their health naturally and confidently. As men age, certain changes become inevitable, but they don't have to be debilitating. One area that often gets ignored until problems arise is the prostate gland. Roughly the size of a walnut, the prostate plays a central role in male reproductive health, producing seminal fluid and supporting sperm function. But beyond that, it influences urinary health, sexual function, and inflammation levels. Conditions like benign, prostatic, hyperplasia, prostatitis, and even prostate cancer are increasingly common after age 40. Yet most men are unaware of proactive, natural strategies that may reduce their risk. What if your daily self-care routine could actually become a cornerstone of preventative prostate health? It might sound unconventional, but decades of research have shown that regular ejaculation has real physiological benefits. For instance, when a man ejaculates, there's a natural increase in blood flow throughout the pelvic region. This enhanced circulation delivers more oxygen and nutrients to the prostate and surrounding tissues, which supports regeneration and proper function. According to several studies, including those published in the Journal of Urology, poor circulation in the pelvic area is linked to an increased risk of prostate dysfunction and urinary symptoms. Since circulation tends to decline with age, maintaining it through regular sexual activity may be more important than many realize. It's like giving your prostate a gentle workout, keeping it active, oxygenated, and healthy. Another key benefit has to do with inflammation. Many prostate issues begin when fluids produced by the gland become stagnant. This stagnation can cause inflammation, leading to discomfort, irritation, and even infection. Regular ejaculation helps flush out these fluids, preventing buildup and keeping the internal environment of the prostate cleaner and more balanced. Harvard Medical School researchers have reported that frequent ejaculation is associated with a lower risk of chronic prostatitis and related inflammatory conditions. This natural flushing mechanism may be one of the simplest ways to reduce inflammation and support overall prostate comfort. And let's not forget about hormones. Orgasms trigger the release of several beneficial chemicals in the body: endorphins, oxytocin, dopamine, and prolactin. These hormones improve mood, reduce pain, relieve stress, and promote a sense of calm and emotional well-being. They also help regulate other hormones like cortisol, the stress hormone, which, when chronically elevated, can disrupt immune function and increase inflammation throughout the body. Stress is a major contributor to hormonal imbalance and inflammation in men, but by practicing regular, mindful self-care through masturbation, you're doing more than relieving tension. You're actively supporting a more balanced, stable, internal environment, which in turn helps protect your prostate. Another often overlooked issue is prostate congestion. As the gland continuously produces fluids, it requires a release mechanism to prevent pressure buildup. Without regular release, these fluids may accumulate and contribute to prostate swelling or enlargement. This is particularly relevant when discussing benign prostatic or BPH. Large-scale studies, such as the Health Professionals Follow-Up study, found that men who ejaculated more than 20 times per month had a significantly lower risk of developing prostate cancer later in life. That's a powerful statistic, and one that supports the idea that something as simple as masturbation may serve as a protective practice. When you put all of these elements together, enhanced blood flow, reduced inflammation, hormonal balance, and fluid release, you begin to see how this natural act can help your prostate stay in better shape as you age. It's not a miracle cure. It won't replace good nutrition, exercise, or regular checkups, but it can be a simple, effective addition to your wellness routine. Now, like any health habit, moderation matters. While masturbation is generally safe, overdoing it can lead to temporary fatigue, soreness, or distraction from other areas of life. Listen to your body. If it starts to interfere with your daily responsibilities, relationships, or emotional well-being, it might be time to reflect and adjust your routine. And of course, if you ever experience persistent discomfort, pain, or difficulty during ejaculation or urination, consult with a qualified healthcare provider. The goal is not to replace medical advice, but to enhance your overall approach to health with natural evidence-based strategies. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential, especially as you age, and your body requires more intentional support. Aging well isn't just about avoiding disease, it's about optimizing how you feel, function, and thrive. Supporting your prostate health doesn't need to involve complicated procedures or expensive medications. Sometimes, the most powerful solutions are simple, natural, and already within your reach. If you found this video helpful or eye-opening, let us know in the comments. What surprised you most? What questions do you still have? And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another health tip that is grounded in science and focused on your well-being. Thanks for watching, and thank you for being a part of health. Stay curious, stay proactive, and keep mastering your health one simple habit at a time.